How to hide friend list in Facebook Lite. Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to hide friend list in Facebook Lite. If you want to conceal your friend list on Facebook Lite, then this video is for you. Watch till the end. Begin by opening the Facebook Lite application. Once you enter this application, you will spot 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on them, you will see features and settings there. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. You will see a menu of settings unveiling. Scroll down once more until you find the How People Find and Contact You option. It's under Audience and Visibility. Within this, also look for the query Who can see your friend list? Click on it, and options will emerge. Choose the last one, Only Me. After clicking on it, your friend list will become invisible to others. So, this is how you can hide your friend list in Facebook Lite. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.